Hi, and welcome to Uptown Dallas. This is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101, and we're standing in front of the Stella. The Stella is a recently built mid-rise, and it's in a beautiful section of Uptown. It's in a really nice area with a great neighborhood feel. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go inside of the Stella. We're going to take a tour. We're going to look at the model. We're going to look at amenities. And we're going to give you just a great feel of what the Stella would be like and would give you great information about if you want to live here. But before we do, what I want to also do is go walk around the neighborhood a little bit. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the neighborhood as we're walking around it. So I want to start with, I'm going to point over here. You see that over there? Now we're in Uptown, but right over there literally is Woodall Rogers, and Woodall Rogers is a highway that separates Uptown and downtown. So you've got a quick access, and I'm talking literally right on the other side of this highway, and you're in downtown Dallas. So this is the edge of Uptown and downtown, and it's literally this close. So if you're working in downtown, even part-time, this is a great location for being here, so that you can quickly get there. This Woodall Rogers also goes to 75, and it's just right over there. And 75 is a north and south freeway that goes, passes downtown, and then it goes past Uptown, and it goes to other areas of town like North Dallas. If you go this way, this is heading, first of all, to Clyde Warren Park, which is actually on top of Woodall Rogers, just right up there. And this also goes towards the airport, towards actually both airports. So you've really got a fantastic location just for getting around right there. I'm also going to walk back because I want you to see just the beautiful neighborhood that we have here. So this is super close to McKinney Avenue. McKinney Avenue is the main street that goes through Uptown. It's the street that has a lot of the shops, the restaurants, the nightclubs, and things like that. And by living in this location of the Stella, you're in walking distance to get to that. But what I like about it is you're walking distance, but you're also super close to where you have a little bit of separation. And I think that's a good thing, because McKinney Avenue is fun, but it's also, it can be a bit noisy, maybe, because at night it can be 1 a.m., 2 a.m., bars and nightclubs stay open. So if you stay here at the pretty Stella, you can be getting sleep and getting rest, and you can have this pretty neighborhood, but then you can just quickly walk to McKinney Ave. McKinney Ave is just literally right up there, just a few minutes, 2 minutes, and you're on 2-3 minutes, and you're on McKinney Avenue walking. I hope you're also seeing more of the pretty Stella. It really is a gorgeous apartment. If you'll notice, all of the apartments have balconies or patios, and you notice the pretty trees and just the nice sidewalks. I mean, this is a very cute property, and it will give you just a great base to find new friends and have a lot of fun in Uptown. It's Tuesday, and it's about 9:30 in the morning, and you'll already see it, but people are already also kind of walking around, and you'll see them walking, getting exercise. You also see pets and things like that. So getting a dog, or if you already have a dog, that's another way to meet people and also get a great experience, just for connecting with other people too. So I love dogs. I have my own dog, Pomeranian. So anyway, love dogs, and Uptown is very, very dog friendly. So that's the beautiful Stella and a little bit about the neighborhood on the outside. Now we're going to actually go in and we're going to check out the Stella. So let's go for it. The entrance is just right up here, and we'll be there shortly.